Navigating the world of academic and professional writing can be challenging. At the Next Research, we're here to help you understand the differences between two common formats: research papers and articles. A research paper presents the results of a detailed study or investigation. It involves in-depth analysis, original research, and a structured format, including sections like an abstract, literature review, methodology, results, and conclusion. These papers are often peer-reviewed and written for an academic audience. On the other hand, articles cover a wide range of topics and can appear in various formats such as news pieces, magazine features, and blog posts. They can be informational or opinion-based and are written for a broader audience with a more flexible structure and less formal tone. The primary difference lies in their purpose, content depth, audience, review process, and writing style. Research papers aim to contribute new knowledge to the academic field, while articles aim to inform, entertain, or express opinions. At the Next Research, we're dedicated to helping you excel in your writing journey. Explore our resources at thenextresearch.com for more tips and insights. Your path to better writing starts here.